Good evening, good morning, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Kung anong time nyo nakita tong video na to. So, ito ay usually magre-resonate sa 1 month before or weeks. So, depende po sa time na makita nyo po itong video na to. So, time-lapse po tayo. So, next reading, this is for the air signs. So, let's start. Sa mga bago po, please like, subscribe, and click nyo po ang notification bell para ma-notify po kayo. This is for the air signs, please. Air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius signs. So, take what resonates po. Kung hindi naman po mag-resonate, so, check nyo na lang yung ibang videos ko or next video ko, baka mag-resonate po siya. So, yung iba, possible nangyari na or mangyayari pa. So, baka sabihin nyo na, ay, hindi siya nag-resonate sa akin. So, probably, hindi din ito yung video na kailangan nyo tingnan. So, the star card is here. I'm going to pull cards from the energy oracle cards to. This is for the air signs, please. What are the messages for the air signs? Okay. The work card. Nakita ko yung work card. So, nahulog siya. Wait na. Okay. So, anong nangyayari sa'yo, air signs? May mabigat ka bang nararamdaman? You have the anxiety here? Or someone is not okay right now? This could be you or your partner. What else? Ayun, nahulog na naman. Okay. Okay, for all the air signs. So, might be someone is thinking about, you could be connected with the Taurus. Okay. The fire sign. Meron din earth sign. Could be dealing with the earth sign and the fire signs. So, might be someone is thinking about you, air signs. So, hindi siya nag-work out, pero there could be a new beginning here. Okay. May changes na darating sa'yo. And it will be in your favor, air signs. This person might be a businessman na tutulong sa'yo. Pero, before siya darating sa'yo, may mga pagtataluhan muna kayo. May pagtataluhan kayo. Itong taong to, parang, ito yung taong sinaktan ka ng todo. Kaya, ngayon, you feel like napaka-defensive mo, na once kung dumating siya, at darating nga talaga siya, might be a fire sign, pero doesn't have to be, kasi itong taong to, darating siya fast, maybe in a weeks. He wanted to communicate because palagi kanyang tinitingnan in the past. Palagi kanyang Palagi kanyang iniisip in the past. Pero, ikaw talaga yung gusto niya. You are his wish come true. Or one of your wish will come true. And you could be connected with the Aquarius signs. Pero, ikaw here, air signs, parang feeling mo, ayaw mong labanan, ayaw mo nang makipaglaban, gusto mo go with the flow ka na lang kasi medyo nasaktan ka sa taong to. Pero itong taong to, gagawin niya lahat para lang makapunta sa inyo. Might be in a long distance relationship. Might be itong taong to is nasa ibang bansa. Hindi siya makatulog, having an anxiety, or this could be you. You have caring connection here, and the magician in a mirror. So, lahat ng to gagawin to ng taong nagpasakit sa'yo. Babalik siya. Might be an ex na babalik sa'yo. Pay attention to the red flags, the signs are cautioning you. So, might be may mga signs ka na nakikita. 555 is here, so changes is coming for you. May message ka darating, pero hindi mo po siya nakikita as of now. Your message here is free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. And it could be connected with the children. Your love life is being affected by children. Might be yung taong tong darating or babalik is may anak kayo, or itong taong to kaya hindi nag-work out in the past. Might be dahil ikaw ay may anak or siya ay may anak. So, basta, it is connected with the children. So, that's it. Ito lang yung nakikita ko. Might be a communication na darating. He is trying or she is trying to connect, to be with you. Pinaglalabanan niya. Marriage is here. Probably he wanted to marry you. Sun is here. This is a positive message that is coming to you. So that's it for you. Thank you for watching, air signs.